homemade, simple recipes, food hacks, the foodie food, yay! Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is just about my kitchen experiment, and the kitchen experiment is Semo Pancakes, like Semo Pancakes. Okay, let me just give you the gist behind this. Okay, someone was like, Semo is trash, and I was like, nah, Semo is not trash when it is eating as Semo boat. And someone came and was like, have you heard of and Semo Pancakes? Semo Pancakes, and I was like, Semo Pancakes? I have not heard of anything like Semo Pancakes. I googled it and I saw some recipes, I saw some like ingredients, the way to make it, and I was not just loving it, but that gave me an idea, yep, but not an idea. Like I just had to like remove it, like remove some things, add some things and all. So we'll just be like, I'll just be showing you what I experimented and what came out and all. So yes, the food ingredients will be, and the full measurements will be in the description box. Please be sure to check it out. So yeah, okay, where are we now? Okay, I'm just trying to mix up like the dry ingredients that consists of semo, sugar, baking powder, salt. And now in another bowl, add in your milk, 1 cup of milk, add in your egg at room temperature, add in your melted margarine. Oh, I use margarine, not butter. So add it and give it a good mix. Whisk it. You can use your fork, you can use your whisk to do this. Just make sure everything is evenly distributed. Yep. And hello, how you doing? How you doing? I think I asked this and nobody's always answering me. Why? So now we'll add in our wet and dry ingredients together and mix it very well. Don't mind me that yes, my margarine is not looking melted. Like it has already started to solidify at this point when I added it into my wet ingredients. So just give it a good mix, like mix it, make sure everything is evenly distributed and there's no lumps of any salts in it. So just mix it. I just mixed it. Like I'm not supposed to be saying as if I'm teaching you, because this is just an experiment. It is an experiment I'm doing, and at this point I just needed to taste it, and OMG, this is you need to try it yourself. So using margarine, or you can use your groundnut oil or any oil, just put in the batter to fry. Yep. And when you start seeing bubbles, just like pancakes, normal pancakes, you know it is ready. So yeah, I was just waiting for the bubbles to start popping up. Oh, do bubbles pop up? So I'm just waiting for the bubbles to come up, and now it has come up. I just flip it, and oh my god, this is the first mess on 5-star chef in the mode. Like, oh no, so yep, so that's it. And guys, this thing was tasting like cake, it was smell like it. So at this point I just realized I just need to add more water, so I added like 1/4 cup of water to the batter, just to make it more watery and the consistency that so yep, just this. I was just trying to show my catering skills, that yes, so I can make samosa, I can make spring rolls wrap, I can make so I was just trying to make it go round, so at least to spread, and maybe this will be perfect than the other one. So bubbles have started to come out and it is ready to be flipped. Yep, ready to be flipped. 5-star chef and the BO. Please help me, help me, help me. Just help me. So it is ready to. Oh yeah, now flip now. So flip. We are just waiting for it to be flipped. Like flipped. Oh, okay. The bubble you have not come out. And flip. Oh, so at this point I realized I don't know, pancakes will actually flip without breaking, but Semo Pancake is breaking. I don't know, I really don't know, but at this point it was all smelling like cake, it was tasting like cake, like pancake. This is the perfect example using semo, not the flour one we use, the regular one we use. So this point this thing just have to be perfect. So we're waiting for the bubbles to start formulating to start germinating, to start whatever nating. So we're just waiting for it to start forming. Yup. So and we'll flip, yes. Please help me, chef, 5-star chef. In the building. I'm in the building. So this is the Semo pancakes, and well, I took it with chocolate spread, and it was a bomb. Like, for watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss simple food recipe. Share. See you in my next video.